Welcome to this interactive session where we will introduce anatomy and physiology. Have you ever wondered how your body works, how your heart beats, your lungs breathe, or your brain thinks? It's a fascinating world within us, and understanding it begins with two fundamental sciences: anatomy and physiology. These two sciences set the foundation for understanding how our body works and medicine. Anatomy is like exploring a map of the human body. It's about identifying all the parts, the bones, muscles, organs, and how they fit together like a complex puzzle. Imagine looking at a car engine. You see all the parts, big and small, and how they connect. That's what anatomy does for the human body. It's the study of the human body parts, including shape, size, and even composition, and how those parts are connected to other body parts. From the largest structures, like your skin, to the tiniest cells, anatomy unveils the body's intricate design. Anatomy was first studied by observing exterior of body and wounds of soldiers. Later, physicians were allowed to dissect dead bodies, but in living people, a number of imaging techniques have been developed, such as MRI and CT scans. Some of the subspecialties of anatomy include embryology, which is the study of the first 8 weeks of development following fertilization of an egg. We have done a complete video topic on embryology, so make sure to look it out in my YouTube channel. Developmental anatomy is the study of the complete development from fertilization of an egg to death. Cytology is the study of the cell structure and functions. Histology is the microscopic study of structures of tissues. Surface anatomy, on the other hand, is the study of surface markings to understand internal anatomy, and this is done through visualization and palpation. Gross anatomy is study of larger structures without magnification, whereas systemic anatomy is study of structures that make up a body system. Regional anatomy is study of interrelationship of the structures in a specific body region, for example, the hand, the foot, or the head, and finally pathological anatomy is the study of structural changes from gross to microscopic associated with disease. Now imagine the car engine actually running, pistons firing, fuel pumping. That's physiology in action. It's the study of how all those body parts we learned about in anatomy actually work together. Physiology delves into the chemical reactions and processes that keep us alive. It is the study of function. It explains how your heart pumps blood, how your lungs take in oxygen, and how your brain sends signals. It's the dynamic study of life itself. Now let's look at some subspecialties of physiology. Neurophysiology is the study of the functional properties of nerve cell. Endocrinology is the study of hormones and how they control body functions. Immunology is the study of how the body defends itself against disease-causing agents. Exercise physiology, on the other hand, is the study of the changes in cell and organ functions as a result of muscular activity. Finally, pathophysiology is the study of the functional changes associated with disease and aging. Our bodies are organized in a fascinating hierarchy, from the smallest building blocks to the whole organism. Each higher level incorporates the structures and functions of the previous level. We will begin with the simplest level, which is the chemical level, and proceed to cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems. It starts with the chemical level, including both organic and inorganic compounds where chemical reactions necessary for life takes place. Chemical level includes both inorganic and organic chemicals which make up all matter, both living and non-living. Inorganic chemicals are usually simple molecules made of one or two elements, and examples include water, oxygen, and minerals, such as iron, calcium, and sodium. Organic chemicals are often very complex and always contain the elements carbon and hydrogen, and examples of organic compounds include carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and nucleic acids. The next level is the cellular level, the fundamental units of life. They are the structural and functional units of an organism. It's at the cellular levels where the first signs of life can be seen. These include metabolism, responsiveness, movement, growth, and reproduction. We will look into the cellular level in depth in our subsequent videos. Just like bricks build a house, cells come together to form tissues, like muscle tissue or nervous tissue. A tissue is a group of cells which share the same embryonic origin and perform specific functions. There are basically 4 types of tissues in the body: epithelial tissues, connective tissues, nerve tissue, and muscle tissue. More on tissues will be in our coming videos. Tissues, in turn, form organs, each with a specific function, like the heart pumping blood. An organ is a group of tissues which perform specific function. Looking at the organ heart, it contains epithelial tissues which lines the heart and valves. It also has cardiac muscles which pump blood, and the outer layer is made of connective tissue. And finally, organs work together in systems like the circulatory system to keep the entire body functioning. A system is a group of organs which work together to perform specific function. The digestive system, for example, is made up of several organs like the stomach, intestines, and also accessory organs like the liver and pancreas, and the main function of this system is the digestion and absorption of nutrients. The final level is an organism, which is made up of all systems functioning properly. If there is fault in the chemical level, for example acidosis, it will affect the cell, tissue, organ, system, all the way to the organism. It's like a well-coordinated team, each level playing a crucial role in the grand scheme of life. Thank you for watching this video. Next time we will look at homeostasis, anatomical terminologies, and the chemical level. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more simplified videos of anatomy and physiology topics.